Here goes nothing. Here's the first time I've ever done an unboxing. It's for Sidewinder for Gen 4 ZX10. I bought it used off a Facebook group, so here's to hoping there's really a Sidewinder in here. Looks like it comes with the tube Permatex Ultra Copper. Some instructions maybe? Oh sure, it's got instructions, how to install the pair block off. It's got how to do bodywork cutting for your Sidewinder. It gives you a template on kind of where to cut it, if you can see that. So make sure you get rid of fingerprints, yada yada yada. Instructions. Comes with your flanges that bolt onto the head there. Those look pretty quality. They do look a little heavier than the Arata counterparts, but stainless steel versus titanium. What do you expect? There's the 4 of them. There's the pipe. There's some of the other pipes. So these look like they're the 4 and the 2 here, and then these will merge up here to go 2 and then into 1 for the Magneto muffler, whatever you want to call it. Pretty good finish, polish finished on the 2 into 1 here. Welds look pretty good. I don't see any scratching. I'll give you a close up in just a second. Looks like it also comes with a bag of parts. This must be the bracket for the actual muffler magneto there. Oh, nice that it comes with the spring puller. Those are always a pain in the butt to get on without one. An extended rear brake lever clevis kit, which is nice. I don't have a rear brake, so that doesn't really matter. Nice to know that they have it there for you. I'm guessing this is a different radiator mount. It kind of looks like the stock one based off memory. It's been a while since I turned a wrench on it, but I'm guessing that's what that is. And it comes with a couple bolts. And then all the springs you'll need to install it. Last but not least would be the muffler part of it. packaging is done very well. I don't see any scratches on anything. Even buying it used, so it's been, I think, open from the other guy, but never put on, installed, and clearly this was never taken out. But the finish on this looks great, really polished. It's the 20-inch muffler with the black Stupid Fast logo on it. Looks like it comes with the end cap here. I think I'm going to take that out with this screw here. It's got the mounting plate for the bracket there is what I'm guessing attaches to that and attaches to the bike somewhere. But yeah, very straight through design there. Should be nice and loud. Hopefully it doesn't rob me of any power over the full Arata. It will give me a nice ground clearance though. One of the things I was sad about was trying to 60 foot the bike and then coming down on a almost $2,000 retail titanium exhaust just didn't sit well with me. So between the DME flat pan, a nice Sidewinder for some extra clearance is going to be a great thing. And again, just a little close up on the 2-into-1 collector here. Looks pretty nice. I don't know if you can see the insides of it, but they look pretty nice. There's a little bit of penetration in there from where the spring clamps are welded in there. But overall, I'd say it's a pretty good looking exhaust. There's some welds if the camera will focus. I mean, you might see that a little bit, but they really don't look that bad. It'll probably give a nice real bluish look when it's heat cycled a couple times. And then on the actual header part, those look quite narrow openings that kind of neck into a little bit bigger tube. The turn down on this one looks a little funky, but hey, what do I know about making exhaust? The welds do look pretty solid. They do look hand welded. I mean, looks like a nice exhaust to me. I'm excited to get it on. Hear what it sounds like. I'll do an idle video once it's all on. Hopefully get a couple more track videos this year so you can hear what it sounds like on the track. Try and do a couple flybys and just cruise by videos too if I get the time. And those are always nice to see. There's not a lot of Sidewinder Gen 4 videos out there, so I thought I'd at least help with that. So yeah, overall, it looks like a great exhaust. I'm happy with it. Hopefully be stupid fast. We'll see what happens this year. The one bummer thing that I will admit that I'm kind of bummed that they don't have is an O2 bung in the pipe. I'm not sure where I'll put it, if I'll put it will have to be in the muffler somewhere, where it ends up with the shit that's in there. I'm not sure, but I do plan on trying to tune it, just get a base quick tune on it, with the simple wideband collecting on all four. Then I do plan on getting some wideband bungs welded in each of the four headers and then tuning each individual cylinder and Woolwich, and tune it by gear. I wanted to do that with the Arata, just never had time. Titanium bungs are a lot more expensive than stainless steel bungs, so that was always a cost prohibitor to me as well. The stainless bungs you can get pretty cheap. I think I might just get the AM ones so they don't interfere with the flow quite as much. But yeah, there it is. Look forward to some more videos coming on it. Thanks. Alright, I couldn't leave well enough alone. I pulled the bolt out for the silencer. Thing's pretty heavy. All you gotta do is pull the bolt. I just tapped on this end with a little flathead screwdriver, and out she came. So I am kind of curious how much everything weighs. So we'll get a little measurement here. The muffler itself, without the packing and everything, weighs 1 pound, 12.25 ounces. The 2-in-1 collector here weighs 1 pound, 6 3/8 ounces. The one header pipe, if I can get this to balance here, weighs 1 pound, 11 ounces and 7/8. The other header pipe weighs 1 pound, 10.5 ounces. The flanges that gets bolted onto the head, those weigh 1 pound on the dot. We're going to put the bolts, the springs, the baggie, which might weigh an ounce, and the bracket here to mount it on the bike. That weighs 9.25 ounces. Honestly, this looks lighter than the stock piece, so I'm not even going to bother. And then the packing insert here, that weighs a total of 1 pound and 15 ounces. I'm bad at mental math, so if you can add that up as you go, more power to you. I'll post in the comments the total weight of it all with the packing and without. And when I pull the packing out, it is just a straight through piece of metal. Some bitch gonna be loud, but that should be pretty easy to put a wideband bung in that. So I'll get some opinions from a local guy I'll have welded in there, where he thinks it'll be. I mean, that's a pretty big opening. Hate to get air getting sucked in the end of it at idle, or you know, wherever you're kind of cruising. If you're just kind of barely cruising, I don't want to mount the wideband at the very end, because then air is going to get in there and throw my reading off, I would believe. So there's that. Again, more videos to come on the Sidewinder. Thanks for watching.